Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ATA. ATA has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. This is a very huge development on the weekly time frame chart. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of ADA that I shared a few days back on 20th of Feb with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that ATA formed with US dollar pair. And this pattern was, by the way, formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal. And then we had some price correction, and then we had another powerful pump. And before that, I have already shared a very, very big harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that ATA has formed on the monthly time frame chart. And I told my members that we have a very, very strong support here that is at 12 cents. And if the price line will drop more down, then it can test the support of 12 cents, and then we can expect the next reversal from there. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line tested this support, and now after this test, it is gearing up. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of the Gartley pattern, the targets can be from $1.05 to $1.68. Now, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then here we have the formation of a very, very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we found the resistance of the wedge here in the month of June 2021, and you can see even after several attempts, the price line is not able to break out this resistance. It was not able to break out this resistance. In fact, it has broken out here in the month of January 2023, and now it is moving towards a very, very strong resistance that we have at 25 cents. You can see we had a nice rally. If I place this measurement tool from this low of December 2022 up till this high of Feb 2023, then you can see so far it has rallied more than 150%. But this is just the beginning of this rally, and I'm expecting that once it will be able to break out this key resistance, you can see for the past several weeks or months, this level is working as a very, very strong resistance for the price line. Therefore, once it will be able to break out this resistance, then we can expect a long-term rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the final target after this breakout, because we have already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and sooner or later the price line can hit this target that is here at the top of this wedge, that is approximately at $4.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.